everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing this product here, which I apologize for the pronunciation because I'm never sure how to say this company. So this is the Jurlique Nourishing Cleansing Oil with Smoothing Black Elderflower. So this one is a 200ml bottle and this retails for $44. The packaging I think is super luxurious looking. I actually really enjoy a lot of their packaging. I think it's so simple, but it's like so simple yet so like classy and elegant, and just something that I personally wouldn't mind being displayed on like a bathroom counter or in a makeup room or something like that. So yeah, really like that. The only downside for this is I don't like how small the like the top, like the lid is. I just find like when you spray it, when you pump it out, it just like rolls down. So I really have to pump it like this, whereas other oil cleansers have like a longer spout, so you can just get your hand under it easily. That is one thing that does annoy me sort of, but it feels nice in my hand. I like the matte sort of frosted glass plastic look as well. This product, now I am a newly converted oil cleanser person, to be honest, so I think it's just such a great additional step, particularly if you are wearing makeup. I just find it breaks it down really nicely, and then when you cleanse again with your normal cleanser, it feels like you get everything off. I absolutely love this. This could be my favorite oil cleanser I've used, to be honest. Absolutely love the feel. I love the smell. I love like how it makes my skin feel afterwards as well. I feel like this one makes my skin feel the most clean out of all of the ones I've used. The only thing that I will say, this I feel like I use more of than the other cleansers I've used before. I feel like I do like 4 to 5 pumps of this, and it almost feels like a normal cleanser. Like it doesn't really feel like an oil cleanser. It's very like, it's really different to others that I've tried, but I really love it. Would I purchase this again? To be honest, I think this is going to go on the list of probably would purchase again. I really do enjoy this product. If you have tried this, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, or let me know your favorite oil cleanser as well. I would love to know. I'm always looking to try new things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.